Okay, good morning. That must have been one of the most beautiful places I've ever slept. Did not have the best of nights because I was a bit scared that something might happen, but it didn't. We're still here. Today I'm heading towards the Airbnb close to Barcelona. It's beautiful around here. So yesterday, because of the power outage, there was a strong advice not to go to Barcelona. I read that this morning 60% of Spain already has power again. Looking forward to having some power and Wi-Fi. Pretty much all the devices are dead. In some of these towns and areas I get a bit of the Mexico Breaking Bad vibes. Cool. So yesterday the restaurants were closed, the shops were closed, so I didn't really eat anything. So it would be nice to have some food soon. Looks like I made it. Oh, that was great. Very happy. Oh, I needed that. Should be a nice and curvy road up ahead, so let's see. That was fun. Twisty o'clock. So this is the town's name, Sant Antoni Reservoir. Oh, wow. Okay. Found it. Airbnb is great. It's good to have a shower, to be able to charge everything. Had a nice nap. Oh. I don't know what's going on over here. And the host is very welcoming, very Spanish, lots of passion. She insisted on me visiting this waterfall close by, so I'm just gonna have a look. The plan is to go to Barcelona by bus and metro to keep the bike safe in the garage here. Hola, habla inglés?
Un poco, sí.
Do you know where the waterfall is?
The car right there. You have to cross the bridge.
Or do I have to pay?
No. You have a motorbike now.
I can just go with the motor?
Yes.
Just tell them?
No, don't say anything.
Just go past?
I do it now. I do it a lot of times.
Oh, okay.
But this is for control the cars in the weekend when there is a lot of people, but today there isn't.
Oh, okay. Gracias. Well, that was a beautiful waterfall. I don't like this. Yes, good morning. That was a great stay. Very nice host, very nice place. Fun people in this town. Beautiful. This is the bus stop I used for Barcelona. Hola, amigos. Yesterday I visited Barcelona and really it's a beautiful city. So I went on foot, but I really had a great time. On the bus I met a lovely lady who was sitting next to me. She helped me get through the public transport and it was really cool and helpful. Otherwise I wouldn't have, well, it would have been horrible to be fair. So this is a Roman town. It still has hot springs and uses those for bathing still. Wow. What? Thank you again, Anna, for helping me with the difficult public transport situation. And yesterday evening was really fun as well. Met the locals. They were very welcoming and very kind. Today I'm focusing on a ride through the Costa Brava. And the final stop will be close to Cadaques. And for the context of the trip, this is the first day that I'm heading back towards the Netherlands, and I'm heading back to through the Alps. It's now May 1st and I would love to be back by May 9th, so I still have some days to go. I'm gonna enjoy every bit of it. Feeling refreshed. She's whoa, what the weather could be better, but still it's really beautiful. Beautiful. Cadaques. The town of Salvador Dali. He used to live here for about 50 years. You might know him from the melting clocks paintwork. Luckily there are not too many people here. Yeah, the town is known for this style, this specific type of housing with the blue windows and doors. Oh my god, people. What is everybody doing here? Yeah, really cool. Some more facts about Dali. Facts with Max. He said he actually designed the Chupa Chups logo that's still in use today. I thought it was pretty cool. Cadaques is known as the Pearl of the Costa Brava. Too many people on this earth. Voila. So now I'm gonna have a look at all the way over here at the edge and then head to the camping. Different climate here. I had to take off like 2 or 3 layers. This is just so hot. It doesn't look like it is, but it really is. Do you know what the painting with the melting clocks is called and about what time it was made? Like a quiz during the video. Alright, so it looks like we need a little bit of adventuring to be able to get there. So it's better be worth it. Not sure if these are good decisions. Alright. Sorry?
Is Cadaques this way?
Yeah,
Okay.
almost there, man.
Thank you so much.
But is this road, is it always like this?
Yeah, it's,
All the way through?
yeah. Dude, it's even worse.
Look,
It's even rockier.
really?
Yeah.
So it's not something I can do with this?
I wouldn't.
Okay.
I'm a motorcyclist.
No, alright,
Yeah.
fair enough. Okay, thanks. Alright, so we're gonna turn around. Habla inglés un poco?
No, because then comes half a meter, you have to... So where do you want to go?
No, well look, so I was gonna go all the way to the far end if possible.
Yeah, but then you have to go the main road.
Alright, so this is the wrong way.
Yeah, but I don't know if it might be close up because
Yeah.
in the summer normally vehicles are not allowed. Beside bicycles,
Okay.
it's not allowed. But you just go and have a look.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I have a lot of friends from Utrecht, Amsterdam. I've been quite a few times in Holland.
Do you like it?
Well, yeah, it was
Yeah.
very nice. I mean, when I was a teenager and I
Yeah.
went to Amsterdam, I looked at all that, like
Yeah.
coffee shops, and I said, wow, yeah, little base, yeah, beautiful.
Okay.
And then later in the evening, you can go direction Cap de Creos and you look for some spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. I'll do that. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Alright, so my skepticism was confirmed. Nice man. Okay. Yeah. You can do it, bunny. Poor girl. To be fair, I think I'm just gonna stick to the camping plan. Sometimes you find a beautiful spot at the end of such road, and sometimes it just doesn't work out. We tried. So it's closed? Si.
No sé.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm just heading straight to the camping. I don't know, it feels like the right choice to do, so I'm gonna do that. Not bad. Wow. Costa Brava. So this is Lianza, the town where I found... Wow, look at that. The town where I found the camping in. Camping Lombra. Ah, there it is.